ready with me for you guys. In this video, I will teach you how to create this amazing sort of a wine eye look, and the lips are muted. So if you would like to know how to create this look, then please subscribe to my channel before and hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Hello everyone, welcome to this makeup tutorial, and the first step of makeup is primer. So I am taking the Smashbox primer and just massaging it on the areas where I have most pores. Just press it down very gently and take the rest of it on the whole area of your face. So quickly moving on to the foundation, I've taken the Maybelline Superstay and mixing it with the PAC HD foundation, added a few drops of gold serum so that it glides evenly, and just taking a buffing brush and gently patting it all over my face. Just use small strokes with your brush, and you can use round strokes as well, to just massage the product in your face and give a really nice even base look. So this next step is to give a flawless base, and for that I've taken a Damn Beauty blender and just pressing it all over my face to ensure that the foundation looks evenly blended and there are no harsh lines. You can do this for yourself too, and make sure that your blender is damp and you will get the most flawless finish of your makeup. So now I will powder contour my face, and for that I'm using this sugar. This is like a really nice contour powder, and I really like the buildability of this. And applying this using a contour brush, this is from Real Techniques, and you can see that I'm applying it on the cheekbone area and just taking it upwards. This will give your face a really nice depth and dimension, and it also gives a really nice glow to your face and enhances your features as well. So you can see how I apply this powder contour on my face. So now I am applying my blush. This is the lip and cheek tint from Lakme, and just take it on the back of your hands, and then with the help of a blender, what I'll do, I'll pick up this product and just apply it on my face. So then I am taking a little more blush with the help of a brush and then applying it again on my cheeks for a really nice youthful glow. So for a precise highlighter application, I've taken this detailed brush and I am closely applying it on the areas where I want my face to look the best and highlight evenly with the help of this brush. Just see how I do the detail work, and you can do the same as well. So now I'll quickly curl my lashes, and you can see that my lashes are thick, but they need some sort of curl, and for that I am using this Miniso curler, and you can see that how beautiful look they give to your face after curling. And now what I'll do is that I'll take a eyebrow pencil. This is from Etude House, and I'll quickly fill in my eyebrows with this. Just add a dash of eyebrow mascara. This is from Nykaa Beauty, and this will keep your eyebrows in place for a longer time and they look even as well. So now we are moving on to the eyeshadow part, which is my favorite. Just take a brown shade and apply it on your crease area, and then I'll be taking this reddish tone shade and applying it on my lid area with the help of a flat brush, and just keep on building the color depending on both eyes. You can see, match and then build the color as per your preference. I like to intensify the color, so I kept on building up the color more and more. And we always begin with a really nice bronzy sort of a shade on the crease, and then we'll go on and build up the crease color. You can use a really nice sort of a burnt brownish shade, and that will be the transition shade for us. And then with the help of blending brushes, I will be blending that shade on the crease area. Just take little by little and keep on blending until you find your desired color. Now I'll be taking the Etude House Mirrorholic. This is sort of a glitter, and this I will be applying on the inner thirds and the most of the center area where it catches most light. And then what you can do is that blend it with the help of the same flat eyeshadow brush, and you can build it up even more if you like more sort of a glittery look. It's mascara time, so I am taking my favorite Dior Curl Mascara and applying it on my lashes. Since the eyelashes were curled already, you just need to apply it from root to ends and just keep on blinking so that the mascara is applied really nicely. And also do not forget the lower lashes. Now I am taking a brownish black sort of a shade on a pointed brush and defining my lower lash line with the help of this. You can skip this step, but this gives your eye makeup a really nice and complete look, and you can see how beautiful and defined the eye makeup looks after this. And now I am applying the eyeliner. This is a sketch pen liner from the brand Swiss Beauty, and you can see it's a really slow process. So now I will be lining my lips, and for that I've taken a nude pink lip liner. Take your time with lining your lips and map out your lips correctly. You can see how I am starting from the center and then moving towards the ends, and you can do the same and then repeat the same on the lower lip as well. And now I will be applying my lipstick and apply it evenly. If you want to know the details of this product, then you should check the description box. And this is what the lipstick looks like. You can use a lip crayon or a lipstick as well.